Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique. This is Sanit. So today's video is about unboxing the Amazon swag or goodies. I don't know whatever in this bag. So actually, I recently completed the Amazon ML Summer School 2025. So in this total span of 1 month, every Saturday and Sunday they conducted online classes and also question answer doubt clear session. So in every class, if the students make 100% attendance in those 8 classes, so they will select for the role for applied scientist internship. So which I selected. It's not selected. It's not finalized. So in between the selection process, they have a person interview. So it contains of 1.5 hour interview. So it's not declared, not yet. So now they sent me that Amazon something like this box. Now I am going to unbox this. So let's see what is inside this. That's something like Eco bottle. So see something like Eco bottle. Big proof. BPA free capacity 300 ml. So it's not meet our expectations, but since we have to take it before it's a free now. So here they mentioned that Amazon Summer MLs full. Okay. So they gave me that Amazon MLs which were 95. Okay, this is a unboxing. It's not an unboxing video, but yet this is my first gift from Amazon, so I have to take it. Thank you, Tata, bye bye. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more updates.